The Words Tech now. How to get live text or extract text from images and pictures in Mac OS Monterey. So guys, the first things we need to do to get the live text, that means take out the text of an image. We are going to do this. But if you open an image, so it gets opened in preview, you can select the area but not the text. So this new feature is only in Mac OS Monterey. You select a photo like this but don't open it, just click the space bar. So you can do a quick view, but as you can see, you can now select it. Now if I select like this is, look, you can actually create an event for November 10, 2021 because today is 1st November. You can show this date in calendar. Look, Wednesday 10th November. And if I go in 5 p.m. midnight, well, it won't take that because it has midnight with it. Look, it's captured it. You can show the address. See? Here's the pin. So this was just an example. You can actually also open in the maps. But it opens in Apple Maps. Let it load. Yeah. Here was our location in this park. It was the Meridian Hill Park. I can change this mode to satellite. To look at the area, go in 3. So this was the area the place was talking about. Look. So you can select any text from an image. This was just an example. You can select from anywhere. It can change, like this is a proper text, so it will generally select it. And you can also select like this. It won't select because I haven't clicked the space bar. See? It's selecting like literally everything. So I'll just click on space bar again. It's so cool. You can select like this. You can create an event of Spoken Word 21. Like if I just select it, I have Command C, copied, and create an event. So you can just clip the name Spoken Word 2021. So I only copied like most of it. So it's a good thing. Like you don't have to write a lot of things. Like what should I say? Let's pick up rabbit and the turtle. Now I can just simply go in images and I'll just first type story. It is here. Like if you have a website, I'm just showing this for you guys. If you have a website and you open this image, like I have it, look, it's time for a story and all, but you want to select all the text, but you can't. This is a feature for you. You wouldn't like to type it all. So I just go in my download, select it, click on the space bar. Now I can select like literally everything. Time for a story. The rabbit and the turtle. Look. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on technology and more. And please like, share and comment. And subscribe. Bye bye guys. Meet you in my next video. Bye.